I'm happy to announce that New Year's readings are available on my website starting from now. You can find them in all 4 tiers. You can book them for yourself or for a friend or a family member as a gift. Thank you very much for booking a reading with me and for supporting my channel and for watching my content. I am guiding you into sleep. There's no need to do or think or feel anything special. We're already here. You're already watching this video. And from now on, you can trust me and you can just enjoy the ride. You can completely let go. And I know that you've been fatigued, and perhaps your quality of sleep is not the best. But here we are, working on that, working towards something else. And the tarot card is going to show up to give you some guidance on what is within your power. How you can completely let it go. It's always been within your power. What is it that you need to let go of? It's not muscle work. You don't need to be strong for this. Perhaps the problem is that you've been conditioned to be strong all the time. And there's no need for that right now. It's all completely normal and necessary. The relaxing of the muscles, the slowing of the breath, the sighs. You can sigh if you want. Stretch your body a little bit. It's all completely warranted and necessary. So you might want to pay attention to the noises around you and these little sounds that the cards are making. They are guiding you into sleep. The sound they are making, this sound is so familiar. You've heard this before. It's bringing back some really good memories. Memories you never thought that you've had, but you do. Remember that time when we were meeting at that cafe and you were really upset about something at the time? Do you remember what it was? You don't? Well, that just goes to show that what seems to be really important and worrisome to us in the present is going to completely lose its significance once enough time passes. So anyway, we were at that cafe and you were telling me about some trouble that you've been having with that person. And I was wondering if you were paying attention to what your soul was truly telling you. And in that moment, we pulled the same card, remember? The Lovers. in that moment, this overwhelming sense of clarity came to you about your relationship with this person and about the importance of honesty. How hard, how difficult it is to be honest. We all struggle with it. And every relationship has its own hurdles. Sometimes it feels as though we're fighting. Two people are contending with one another. Are they in love? Are they enemies? Are they gonna make it? We don't know. Is this a cat fight? Are cats able to love one another? So anyway, if you remember, we were sitting at that cafe and you were really perplexed about your relationship with this person. And remember that I told you to remain true to yourself, because that's the only way. That's the only solution, the only way to preserve what makes you, you, and continue to exist in the relationship. And I was drinking chamomile tea and you were drinking coffee. Let's try to remember what else happened there. What else was going on at the time? Another friend showed up. Remember her? She almost manifested out of thin air. It was so crazy. No one has invited her. No one has expected her. But she showed up. We were really happy about that. She sat with us. And she ordered a drink. I think she ordered a mimosa. And we were sitting there at the table on this terrace of the cafe. And we were looking at the sea, remember? How gorgeous that view was. And that moment in time when the third person showed up to complement our energies is when this whole experience started to deepen. And in that moment, we felt so free. So unburdened by societal pressures, so happy. We were raising our glasses to the moment being perfect, and you even forgot about the troubles that you were having. So do you remember what happened after? after that, you had this awesome idea. It's one of those ideas that you have once in a lifetime, a business idea or something artsy. I actually don't remember what it was. Do you? I think you do. A perfect, ingenious idea just came to you randomly in the moment. And that idea has changed your life. As I'm looking at you now, I can see that this idea has made all the difference. And I can see that you're breathing a lot calmer now. Your breathing has slowed down. Your nervous system has become more relaxed. And you are here in the present, enjoying the beneficial effects of this awesome idea that you had a long time ago. This is a gift from yourself to yourself. And remember, if you hadn't have thought of that at that point, you would not be where you are now. And imagine that many more of those ingenious ideas are still available to you. And they are just waiting to be caught like fish. When you go to sleep, when you engage in the dream world, you go fishing for new ideas. And when you wake up in the morning, you can check your equipment, you can check if you had caught any fish. And sometimes you do. So perhaps now when you go to sleep, you will catch something really, really special. Good night.